Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today I decided, since it's the new year, January 1st, I wanted to do the Zepbound unboxing. So this is a Walmart haul, and I'm just gonna pull it out so that you can see it. So, in case you have not seen it, this is how the box looks. And Zepbound, for those of you that don't know, is the same medication as Mounjaro, but Mounjaro is for people who have type 2 diabetes. But anyway, this is the Zepbound. This is one of those popular weight loss medications. And I wanted to unbox it with you all. So this is the 2.5 milligram dosage. As you can see, it does say Zepbound injection. It does require a prescription for you to have it. It says use 1 pen every week, and there are 4 single doses of pre-filled pens. Let me zoom in so y'all can see it a little bit better. All right, so let's open the box together. So when you open the box, this is what you see inside. There are some instructions, and again, the 4 pre-filled pens. Now, it does have a quick reference guide. Let me adjust the camera so that you can see that. So it tells you to choose your injection site, and then you're gonna pull off the gray base cap, place the clear base on the skin, then unlock. Press and hold up to 10 seconds. And you're supposed to hear 2 clicks. So the first click is when the injection starts, and the second click is when it stops. When you get the Zepbound, it is of course locked. You have to twist the cap to unlock it. This is the base cap that you will take off, and then you'll put this part against your skin. So some people like to do the abdomen or the thighs, and then you hold this in for 10 seconds until you hear it click, and then the medication will start to go in, and then it'll click again when it's done, and then you just slowly take it away from your skin and you're done. So you're supposed to keep this refrigerated. Angle it down so that you can see it. Whenever you go to pick it up, it is refrigerated, and of course you want to keep it refrigerated. Okay, so I just have a napkin and some alcohol, because anytime I do anything, I like to use alcohol. And I'm gonna clean this area. So you choose your injection site. You or another person can inject the medication in your stomach, abdomen, or your thigh. You're gonna pull off the gray base cap, which is this. And that's where the needle is there. Place the base on the skin and then unlock. So you're gonna see me place it on my skin. And this is the lock versus unlock. So it's on my skin. I'm gonna unlock it and then press and hold up to 10 seconds. So here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we slowly remove. And now you're gonna place this in a needle safe container. If you don't have a container, what also works really well is a laundry detergent container. Let me go grab one, for example. Okay, I'm back. So you can use, this is like a Tide container. You can drop it in here if you don't have anything that is safe. And as far as pain level, you feel a tiny, I mean teeny tiny. Now I don't know if you all can see, I have a little dot of Don't know if y'all can see a little speck of blood there. So that's why I always do the alcohol with the Band-Aid. And I will just apply this bandage like if you're getting any type of shot or vaccine. Oh. And we're done. So we're done until the next week, and then that's it. It just says, after your injection, place the unused pens in a sharp container. Like I said, if you don't have that, then you can use something like a laundry detergent bucket or container. And then I will store these back in the fridge. Today is Monday, so I'll take my next dosage on Monday. And I have a spreadsheet where I'll be tracking, you know, what medication I'm taking, the dosage, my injection site, the date, my weight, those types of things. So if this is, hold on, I got a little pup here who's trying to climb up on the couch. Are you gonna climb up here? Y'all see little Ezekiel. But if this is something that you're interested in seeing, just let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through this journey on my channel and share any information I have, share or answer any questions that you all may have. So if you've got any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. I'll try to answer them. And depending on the questions, I may make videos based off of the questions that I receive. But that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Happy New Year. And I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.